An enterprise linked with individual faith and social anticipation. Delfar Elevator is making the unremitting effort to pursue a better life. Traveling up, down vertical space is a challenge for human beings to break through themselves. No doubt, elevator is a sharp weapon in such challenge. Delfar Elevator is engaged in booming human transport careers. It continuously provides the society with superior elevators with attractive decoration. Delfar Elevator cares for personal safety of vast passengers. In order to ensure safe manufacture of various elevators, Delfar introduces the first-class international elevator manufacture technologies and equipment such as effective metalworking production line, precision laser cutter, intellectual digital machining center, multi-station punch press, automatic mechanical arm. Each elevator strictly abides by safe production procedures. It grasps product safety through sorts. Accurate, high-end testing instruments carefully check every detail. It guarantees correct elevator running data. Large-scale escalator manufacture workshop displays abundant strength foundation of the enterprise. As the innovative source of the whole company, Technical Research and Development Center gathers together vast excellent and professional talents from all over the country. These people supply new technologies to the people through their solid and professional basic knowledge, the spirit of hard work. Delfar Elevator opens up new markets and advances towards new peaks in elevator industries. Delfar Elevator comprehensively follows the elevator industry standard of after-sales service is more important than precision manufacture. It sets a 24-hour customer service hotline, professional installation, repair and maintenance team. Delfar Elevator will, as always, forerun the elevator industry for purpose of vitalizing our national brand enterprises.